The Nvidia stock price gained 1.65% on the last trading day, Monday, the 7th of August, 2023, rising from $446.80 to $454.17. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.19% from a day low at $445.63 to a day high of $455.40. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -4 million shares, and in total, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $14.55 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the lower part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $448.99 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 52.83% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $686.20 and $787.31 at the end of this 3-month period. Nvidia signals and forecast. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 18, 2023, and so far it has fallen -4.37%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Nvidia stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $455.52. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $440.62. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. The ultimate guide for first-time investors: how to buy Nvidia stock and grow your wealth. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $401.11 and $379.80. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $401.11. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $379.80 and $378.34. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $9.77 between high and low, or 2.19%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.1%. Our recommended stop loss, $434.89, minus 4.24%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 14 days ago. Trading expectations, NVDA, for the upcoming trading day of Tuesday 8th. For the upcoming trading day on Tuesday, 8th, we expect Nvidia Corporation to open at $451.73, and during the day, based on 14-day average true range, to move between $439.59 and $468.74, which gives a possible trading interval of +4/$14.58, plus or minus 3.21%, up or down from last closing price. If Nvidia Corporation takes out the full calculated possible swing range, there will be an estimated 6.42% move between the lowest and the highest trading price during the day. Since the stock is closer to the resistance from accumulated volume at $454.69, 0.12%, than the support at $401.11, 11.68%, our systems don't find the trading risk-reward intraday attractive, and any bets should be held until the stock is closer to the support level. Insiders are negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Nvidia. In the last 100 trades there were 516.69 thousand shares bought and 1.18 million shares sold. The last trade was made 15 days ago by Laura Melissa, who bought 0 shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Is Nvidia Corporation stock a buy? Several of the signals indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period.